Oh, I got one more.
That man done broke our damn aisle. Y'all see this shit? He done broke it. That bitch right there broke it. I didn't know you can zoom in online. Look, it's broke. So sad. I want my money back if we can't bowl. Ain't nobody spend $10 on nothing. He broke it. Look at her. How do it? Oh, look at you! You walking away like you ain't just did that. Nah, it don't count. She got them bumpers up. Nah, fuck you. Right, she. Nah, you cheating. Wait, how? No, it's. So extra. Hey, girl. Say my motherfucker. Yeah, you a bully.
Oh, that's great. No. You can admit that one. You can admit that one.
It's not a picture, girl. Oh, all right.
Oh, no.
Oh, okay. All right. Oh, Jesus.
Okay.
Get off me.
Get off her.
Big money keep me cheated. Yeah, they did, bro. I like that. Get him, baby.
He said, get him, baby.
No, I'm rooting you on. They cheat, bro. Oh. We'll be beat y'all last. Huh? We'll be. What that is? What y'all talking about? Talk up? Huh? What you say? You trying to do what to the bubble gum?
You want what?
I'm gonna get the coat of my dog people here. You ain't give me no cup?
Nothing. I got
Right
some
there.
wings.
It's on you, baby. She keep catching up.
Barely.
Oh, she doing that cheating shit.
Okay. No, she don't. It don't count. They cheating. Them kids. How she cheating? I I don't care. They points don't count because they will all be good up. Yes, you is.
Fuck up, fuck up.
Am I? Uh-oh. Oh.
Let the ball. Let the ball. Let the ball.
You done?
Oh, he all there.
Now he all there.
That's how it's going. To the cabinet for.
Damn, I'm about to lose. Look like.
I gotta tell you,
I
you
know.
were
What you been doing? I can hold it. Come on, Kiki. Step one step to the side this time. I'm gonna get this shit. I'm telling you. Yes. She done caught a strike, that lucky ass shit. There you go, girl. Hey, she need to go throw a water ball.
What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit, sis, Law. Yeah, that's good shit. You got another girl?
Oh, you. Not you tired. I'm crying.
What the fuck did you do? You had a big ass break. Oh, good shit. Good
Bro,
shit.
what the fuck? How?
Real girl showing out for us. She's showing out.
She get another one?
She's showing out. Sit down, Chicky. It's on you.
That's all you got to do. Hey, where my bill, baby?
Tell him I got that bill so we can fuck up.
You like your bill nasty.
Huh? Sorry. Oh, y'all got some shit over there?
What you talking about?
What you?
Betting for money. He put whoever win, he give me money.
I ain't no shit in the tool shit. All right, I gotta look over here too. I'm gonna get this shit. Y'all shit never said nothing about no money. My name is Money. Damn.
Get money!
Trying to clown me.
Oh, yeah, why you said quit job missing?
Do this. Oh!
Oh, shit. Come here, motherfucker.
I can bring it out to you. What you want? Like a 60 beach or something? Let's say something to be
Okay, you did a little song. How I get this shit off?
was yours?
No.
Oh, you strike? All you gotta do is step to the side one time. You heard me? Where you stepping that, step a little to the side. I gotta get this one. There you go. You're gonna hit it next time. A little to the side, next time you got it.
Don't tell me that. I'm about to come back.
She cheating. She glide her shit. Look. That way you can like twist that motherfucker. What's Twan doing? I'm fucking up your shit.
What you trying to do?
Never, right?
Man, you ain't even trying at this point. I'm trying to all your nails. No, I just don't know what's wrong.
Shit, you were here.
I'm about to go full.
Hey, tell Twan, come on, man. You bullshit.
Oh, you trying to
I'm gonna leave this there.
I see you too.
Go to ball. Yes, sir.
You want my card?
Good shit, good. Yes, sir.
You win there. Push what button? Oh.
That guy got to speak to Robert Gunn. Let me buy that drink.
We about to get it. Yeah. All right.
Oh, yeah. Baby, you said the shoulder is here.
See, take all these damn unnecessary balls back. No, bro, you brought my balls on me.
What's he say? You got 35. Why don't I see your name? Oh, she got a strike. There she goes. She got a strike. Man, you already know how it is, man. Give it up. Well, where Brittany? Where Brittany?
She don't even want to play. I'll play for her.
Huh? She needs my ID. She needs somebody ID. She needs my ID. Wait. Wait, Kiki. That's a good ass exercise.
told you I went to practice one day.
Where your Vaseline? Vaseline.
They still ain't come. Oh, yes, they did. You got it.
You know what time it is.
It's going so slow. She ain't even playing serious.
Huh?
I said she's not even playing serious. Told you. All of your notes, Joe dirty ass. What you call me? You better put on that mask, little dirty.